Halal and haram animal meat in Islam. Camel meat halal in Islam. Goat meat halal in Islam. Sheep meat halal in Islam. Wolf meat haram in Islam. Hanaya meat haram in Islam. Haram in Islam. Buffalo meat halal in Islam. Stag meat halal in Islam. Monkey meat haram in Islam. Scorpion meat haram in Islam. Rabbit meat halal in Islam. Cow meat halal in Islam. All type of fish halal in Islam. Deer meat halal in Islam. Duck meat halal in Islam. Hercon meat halal in Islam. Leopard meat haram in Islam. Tiger meat as well haram in Islam. Cheetah meat haram in Islam. Lion meat haram in Islam. Jerboa halal in Islam. Bear meat cannot be used in Islam. Nexagon halal in Islam. Quail halal in Islam. Parrot meat haram in Islam. Francolin halal in Islam. Pig meat strictly not allowed in Islam. That's a haram in Islam. Squirrel haram in Islam. Hedgehog haram in Islam. Snake haram in Islam. Tortoise haram in Islam. Dog meat haram in Islam. Locust halal in Islam, but many people not idea about it haram or halal. Partridge halal in Islam. Lark halal in Islam. Sparrow halal in Islam. Crab halal in Islam, but many people have no idea about it, that haram or halal. Jackal haram in Islam. Donkey meat haram in Islam. Kosi halal in Islam. Lizard haram in Islam. Fox meat haram in Islam. Crocodile is haram in Islam. Whistle haram in Islam. Ostrich halal in Islam. Dove meat halal in Islam. Elephant meat haram in Islam. Falcon haram in Islam. However, cannot use this bird meat in Islam. Kite cannot eat in Islam. Bat haram in Islam. Vultune haram in Islam. Mouse haram in Islam. Rat meat haram in Islam. Spider haram in Islam. Pigeon meat halal in Islam. Stork meat halal in Islam. Roaster, any type of roaster meat halal in Islam. Hen meat halal in Islam. Pig cook halal in Islam. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and share this video and share your comment about this video. Thanks for watching.